Hi YouTube, I'm here with another project. I was commissioned to make some masks today. There was a young man who was murdered in my area, and his family commissioned me to make some masks. So that's what I'm doing right now. On one side it has the Black Lives Matter fist, and on the other side it's going to say Justice with the young man's name on it. So I thought I'd take you along for a few minutes. I got off of work and I got this call right when I got off of work. So I'm really tired, but I wanted to go ahead and get it done. So I'm just using some Caesar Easy Weed to complete the project. I usually use a different kind of vinyl that I get from a local shop, but I ran out and I didn't know I was out, and I picked up some Caesar Easy Weed, 2 rows of it from a local Wal-Mart. It was $4.50 a couple of weeks ago. I was in there getting some other stuff and I scanned it with the Wal-Mart app and it came up $4.50, so I got a bunch of them. So I'm just completing the project with those because I don't have any of the other vinyl that I normally use for my project. So I'm just putting 6 of them on the mat at a time and trying to knock the project out. I still got like 8 more of them to weed out, and so I'm just trying to get it done way past my bedtime. But what are you gonna do when a family is asking you to help them seek justice for their loved one? So I thought I'd just bring you along while the hardest part was weeding out the cursive writing. Took quite a bit of time. The fist didn't take much time to weed at all. And then another thing was I had to come home and design the project. And I got the call on my way home from work, so I was still on the freeway. And so it makes for a long day because I still have to meet the young lady and deliver her product to her. So I'm hoping to get it done shortly. I also still have 8 more of the words to weed out. So I made 25 of the mask because that's about all I have time to do. I have a few more, but I don't know if I have enough vinyl to get the project done. So this is what the mask look like completed. This is what it's going to look like. It has the fist on one side and justice for the young man on the other, because I made a different one, but because this mask has a seam in the middle, it's kind of hard to put words all the way across. If I had a hat press, it would be easier to do it that way, but since I don't have a hat press, I can't get it done that way. And so I'm just weeding them off. This is a warm peel, so, and I have my heat press set at 330 for 15 seconds. But my heat press fluctuates, so if you guys watch my channel, you know that my heat press fluctuates. So yeah, so this is my project, and I have some more to weed out, and I have more to get done. So I just thought I'd bring you along on the journey just for a few minutes. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day.